Some AI stocks aren't just growing, they're about to change everything. While everyone's eyes are on Nvidia, a few hidden companies are quietly building the future, completely under the radar. These aren't just speculative plays, they're showing real momentum. Today, I'm revealing 4 AI stocks poised for a massive surge by 2026, and the first one might just be the biggest surprise. First up, let's talk about Salesforce Inc., ticker CRM. Salesforce stands out as an AI powerhouse beyond Nvidia, with analysts foreseeing over 61% upside. This enterprise software giant, renowned for its Customer 360 platform, is aggressively transforming into the #1 AI CRM and an agentic enterprise. Key to this strategy is the $3.6 billion acquisition of Fin, set to close in Q4 FY 2027, which will significantly enhance Agentforce with fast-to-value AI-powered customer service solutions, especially for SMBs. The company also announced an $8 billion acquisition of Informatica to bolster data capabilities, foundational for advanced AI. Salesforce is actively deploying autonomous AI agents, like the Einstein Sales Development Rep and Einstein Sales Coach, designed to boost sales team efficiency, alongside developing critical observability tools for these agents. The Agentforce annual recurring revenue has already surged an incredible 205% year-over-year to $1.2 billion, signaling strong AI adoption. Financially, Salesforce delivered strong Q1 FY 2027 results, with revenue up 13% to $11.13 billion and non-generally accepted accounting principles (EPS) of $3.88, surpassing consensus. This followed an earlier Q1 FY 2025 where, despite a slight revenue miss, non-generally accepted accounting principles diluted EPS rose to $2.44, alongside a 32.1% operating margin, showcasing effective cost management. Committed to shareholder value, Salesforce has launched its first quarterly dividend and a substantial $25 billion share buyback. While investor concerns persist regarding AI disruption to traditional models and potential organic growth moderation, by fiscal year 28, analysts largely maintain buy ratings. They view the current valuation as an attractive entry point, given Salesforce's strategic AI investments, disciplined financial performance, and practical AI applications, such as its partnership with the Visa F1 team for fan engagement. Next, we have Palantir Technologies Inc., ticker PLTR. Palantir emerges as a significant AI contender, with analysts projecting over 71% upside potential. Wolf Research, initiating coverage, lauded Palantir's best-in-class enterprise AI product suite, particularly its AIP platform, ontology database, and unique forward-deployed development. They noted impressive metrics: 150% net revenue retention, 85% year-over-year revenue growth, and a 97% surge in residual deal value backlog, achieved with a relatively small 1,000 customers. Analyst Alex Zukin anticipates a revenue compound annual growth rate of 39% from 2026 to 2029, potentially 55% in an upside scenario, against a $385 billion total addressable market. Financially, Palantir surpassed Q1 2026 earnings expectations with an EPS of 33 cents, up sharply year-over-year, and raised full-year 2026 revenue guidance to over $7.65 billion. U.S. commercial revenue is set to grow at least 120% to over $3.224 billion, driven by a 104% year-over-year U.S. revenue surge in Q1 2026 and 47 deals over $10 million, totaling $2.41 billion in contract value. The company's Rule of 40 score reached an exceptional 145%, showcasing AI-driven execution. Crucially, Palantir is collaborating with Nvidia to build an intelligent engine for deploying AI models in secure, sovereign environments for U.S. government agencies, enhancing national security. This positions Palantir's AIP platform as a vital orchestration layer, offering a competitive edge by buffering against individual model changes. Despite past volatility and valuation concerns, Michael Burry reportedly reduced his short position, and D.A. Davidson upgraded the stock, affirming Palantir's unique AI advantages and ontology framework as key differentiators. Moving on, let's talk about Cerebras Systems Inc., ticker CBRS. Cerebras is rapidly establishing itself as a pivotal AI infrastructure player, drawing significant analyst upside of nearly 78%. Headquartered in Sunnyvale, Cerebras designs wafer-scale processors and AI supercomputers, purpose-built to accelerate both training and inference workloads for complex AI applications. A monumental development is its multi-year partnership with OpenAI, reportedly exceeding $20 billion, which involves OpenAI deploying 750 megawatts of Cerebras inference compute over several years. This collaboration also saw the joint launch of Codex Spark, a coding framework. This massive deal, alongside a separate collaboration with AWS for faster inference, solidifies Cerebras' role in supplying the computational backbone for advanced AI models. The company's unique wafer-scale engine is considered a key architectural advantage, specifically designed to mitigate communication bottlenecks in increasingly large and complex AI models. Cerebras' financial performance in Q1 2026 was impressive, with generally accepted accounting principles revenue soaring 94% year-over-year to $193.4 million. Hardware revenue jumped 59% to $110.6 million, and cloud and other services revenue surged an even more remarkable 178% to $82.8 million. While the company posted a generally accepted accounting principles operating loss of $15 million and a net loss of $14 million, this is often characteristic of high-growth tech companies reinvesting heavily. Looking forward, Cerebras expects Q2 2026 core revenue of about $194 million, an 88% year-over-year increase, and projects full-year 2026 core revenue between $855 million to $865 million, reflecting about 69% growth at the mid-range. Despite these strong catalysts, the stock has seen volatility due to investor concerns over margin compression. Q2 gross margin guidance of 36 to 38% is lower than Q1's 47%, partly attributed to leasing hardware back to OpenAI. Insider selling and investigations by law firms also weigh on sentiment. Nevertheless, Wall Street maintains a moderate buy consensus, with a $299.30 average price target, implying substantial upside. Cathie Wood's ARK Invest has also shown conviction by buying recent dips. Finally, we have Pony AI Inc., ticker PONY. Pony AI is positioning itself as a leader in autonomous mobility with an astounding analyst upside potential of over 152%. Bank of America Securities maintains a buy rating, highlighting Pony AI's advanced Ponyworld and virtual driver systems, which adeptly navigate complex urban environments in expanded operational zones, including dense office buildings and heavy traffic in cities like Guangzhou. The company aims to significantly scale its robotaxi fleet and enhance profitability through economies of scale. A crucial step in its expansion came on June 22nd, with the public launch of its autonomous mobility offering in Singapore's Punggol district via the Zig app, moving beyond invitation-only trials. Pony AI plans to deploy over 3,500 robotaxis across more than 20 cities globally by the end of 2026, with Singapore serving as a hub for international growth. Pony AI's financial performance reflects its rapid expansion, reporting a stellar Q1 2026, with total revenues soaring 145% year-over-year to $34.3 million. Robotaxi revenues, a key metric, surged an even more impressive 395.4% to $8.6 million. The company's fleet already exceeds 1,700 units and is set for significant growth. Technologically, Pony AI introduced Ponyworld 2.0, a self-improving physical AI engine, and unveiled a next-generation autonomous driving domain controller built on NVIDIA's Drive Hyperion platform, promising enhanced compute power and energy efficiency for its Level 4 driverless systems. Global expansion efforts include driverless deployments in Dubai and participation in a robo-taxi pilot in Luxembourg with Bolt and Stellantis. Despite trading near its 52-week low due to broader market sentiment and concerns over AI spending, analysts remain optimistic. The inclusion of Pony AI's Hong Kong-listed shares in the Shanghai Hong Kong Stock Connect program is expected to boost liquidity and broaden its investor base, making it a compelling, high-potential AI play for 2026. Now, let's look at the hard numbers. Starting with current prices, Pony AI sits at a modest $7.17, offering a lower entry point compared to Salesforce at $163.23, or Cerebras at $220. Palantir leads the pack in share price at $125.73. Market capitalization tells a different tale. Palantir, despite its price, boasts a massive $310 billion, dwarfing Salesforce's $136 billion. Cerebras Systems follows at $46.41 billion, with Pony AI as the smallest at $2.96 billion, indicating its earlier growth stage. Revenue figures showcase Salesforce as the established titan with $42.82 billion, followed by Palantir at $5.22 billion. Cerebras, while smaller at $603.9 million, shows impressive growth, while Pony AI at $110.3 million reflects its emerging market presence. Gross margins are particularly insightful. Palantir leads with an outstanding 84.1%, demonstrating superior operational efficiency, closely followed by Salesforce at 77.6%. Cerebras has a respectable 40.3%, but Pony AI lags at 15.8%, suggesting higher operational costs or aggressive investment in scaling. When it comes to profitability, Salesforce is a clear leader with an EPS of $8.65, indicating strong earnings. Palantir also posts a solid $0.96 EPS. Cerebras has a positive EPS of $1.74, and Pony AI is still in the red with an EPS of -35 cents, reflecting its heavy investment phase and emphasizing its higher risk, higher reward profile. Regarding shareholder returns, Salesforce is the only one offering a dividend yield at 1.1%, signaling its maturity and commitment to returning capital. The other three, as high-growth tech firms, are reinvesting heavily. Finally, looking at a one-year change, all four stocks have seen significant declines. Salesforce is down 38.4%, Cerebras 34.1%, and Pony AI a steep 46.9%. Palantir is down a more modest 3.8%. However, their analyst upside potentials are striking. Pony AI leads with a projected 152.45% upside, followed by Palantir at 71.35%, Cerebras at 70.68%, and Salesforce at 61.01%. This suggests that despite recent market corrections, Wall Street sees substantial recovery and growth ahead for these AI innovators. So, these are 4 AI stocks with significant potential beyond the NVIDIA. Which of these 4 AI stocks do you believe has the strongest potential to surge by 2026? And what's your top reason? Drop your insights, predictions, and any other AI stocks you're watching in the comments section below. And if you found this deep dive valuable, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more expert financial analysis, and don't miss our video right here on 5 best semiconductor stocks to buy now in 2026.